Hey guys, Eddie here from The Mansionist, and today's story is about a village house in Tuscany, an essential yet historical retreat for the minimalists out there. Italian artist and architect Vincenzo De Cotiis is known both as an interior designer who renovates old buildings and as a furniture and object designer. The designer spent the last 2 years renovating a 4-story 18th century villa in Pietrasanta, Tuscany. The villa presents very few pieces of furniture overall, each a piece from the architect himself. The renovation preserved the original features and colors of the interiors, and through contrast, the ultra-modern elements added by the designer served to complement the unbeatable charm of the ancient building. So what do you think of the contrast of this design? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow The Mansionist on all our platforms. Stay tuned for new stories. See you next time.